In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add an ebook to your Shopify store. For those who wish to expand their digital offerings or simply want to delve into selling ebooks, this guide will be invaluable. To accomplish this, we'll be using a tool called the Digital Downloads app, which makes managing and delivering digital products straightforward and efficient. Let's explore each step in detail to ensure you're perfectly equipped to offer your ebook to the world. First, you'll need to get started by installing the Digital Downloads app. To do this, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once there, navigate to the Apps section. You'll see an option to visit the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and search for the Digital Downloads app. This app is specifically designed by Shopify to help you manage digital products effortlessly. Follow the simple instructions to install it, and you're on your way. Next, it's time to create a product listing for your ebook. Still in your Shopify admin, find the Products tab and click on it. You'll see an option to Add Product. This is where you'll be setting up all the details about your ebook. Now, let's talk details. You'll need to enter some essential information about your ebook, including its title and an engaging description. This is also the opportunity to upload a captivating cover image, which will serve as the visual representation of your ebook in your store. Make sure your description and cover image are appealing since they are crucial in attracting potential buyers. Since your ebook is a digital product, there's an important setting we need to adjust. Under the shipping section, you'll notice a checkbox that reads, "This is a physical product." Make sure to uncheck this box. This step is vital because it tells Shopify that you're dealing with a digital item, ensuring customers won't be charged for shipping. Now for the main event, adding the digital file. Look for the More Actions button and click on it. From the drop-down, choose Add Digital File. Here, you'll upload the file of your ebook, which is usually in PDF format. The file you upload is what your customers will receive upon purchasing the ebook, so double-check that this is the correct and final version. We're almost there. It's time to configure the fulfillment and download settings for your new digital product. Decide whether you would like Shopify to automatically send the ebook to customers after their purchase is complete, or if you prefer to do this manually. You can also set a download limit if you wish to restrict how many times the file can be downloaded. Finally, once you've got everything set up just how you like it, you'll need to publish your product. Change the product status to active and publish it to your store. Once published, your ebook is live and ready for your audience. As a last but crucial step, conduct a test purchase. This will ensure that the ebook downloads correctly and that the entire process from purchase to download is seamless and user-friendly. This check will give you peace of mind knowing your customers will have a smooth experience. By following these steps, your ebook will be available and ready for sale on your Shopify store in no time. Good luck, and here's to your success in selling digital products.